Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to sum multiple tables in Microsoft Word. Suppose, consider you have many tables like this, table 1, table 2, table 3, etc. And you want to sum up the totals of these three tables somewhere here. So I guess you already know that you can calculate the sum by going to layout tab, clicking the cursor inside the table and going to the layout tab and then clicking on the formula. You can see that the sum function automatically pops up, and then simply you can say OK. So same for the second table, I would go to the formula, sum above, and the third table, formula and sum above. Now the question is, how do we total these three tables? How do we perform a grand total of these three tables somewhere at a different place? So to do that, you will have to do you will have to bookmark these tables. So to bookmark the tables, you should select the table, then go to the insert tab, and then click on the bookmark. Then type a name for the bookmark. Let me say my table. Say I'll just write the short form, my table 1, like that, my TBL 1. So you can give any name you want. So bookmarking the table allows you to use the table into the formula. Recognize the table as one entity inside a formula. So now we will just select the second table and then do the same thing. We will go to the insert and bookmark again. Name this as my TBL 2 and click on add. Same for the third one. I'll just go to the bookmark again, my TBL 3, and say add. So now see, you may use a table. You may sum all these three things together inside another table or outside the table. So the process is a bit different. So now let us see how to perform the calculation outside the table. So to do this, what you can do is you can just go to the same insert tab, then go to the quick parts and then click on field. So inside the field, the very first item says the formula. So select that one and then click on the formula button, and this is where you can perform the calculation. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same sum function, sum, open the bracket. Now I'll use the table names. So I gave my TBL 1, and you would also need to specify the cell address, like in Excel, as just we do it in Excel. So I guess the total resides in column B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th row. So B5. So B5. So what I would do is I'll give a space here and say B5 and type a comma, then the reference of the second table, my TBL2, and same thing B5, and again my TBL3 and B5. Close the bracket. Now let's see if this works. Yes, it should work. It works. So this is how you can sum up the values of multiple tables together. See, if you change the values here, say if I change the values here, you need to update the formula. How would you update the formula? You can just right click and choose update field. This is one thing you can do. If you want to update all the field codes at once, what you can do is you can select everything. So you can just say select all, or press the Ctrl A button. So you can also use the Ctrl A button. One second, I'll just use my on-screen keyboard. See, I'll just use the Ctrl and A keys. Ctrl and A keys to select all, and then I need to press the F9 key to update. I'll just press the F9, so this updates the formula. So I'll just do it once again. Say we have changed the values here. We have all changed the values here. So there is a change in the values. So instead of updating each and every fields one by one, it is possible to update everything at once. So you can select everything, then press the F9 key on your keyboard. So you can notice the formula is updated. Unlike Excel, Word needs to be updated manually. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.